You used to call me on the payphone back when it was 25 cents. Yeah, you got a cell phone, but it has antennas on it. How you gonna expect it to work? It was made back in the Bible times. Plus you're with Win Mobile, so I know you're getting dropped calls. Was better off using that payphone. The struggles of the operator, and there always was a lineup, so you always had to call me later. Dang girl, please just pay your bill. It's only $22 a month. And stop ignoring me on WhatsApp. You know I see those blue check marks. Plus they got features that are new. You know they added some emojis. A black guy with a heart on it, just to prove that you love me. But seriously, please go buy a better cell phone.